Hey everybody, this is Robert from Kapwing, and I'm coming to you from inside the Kapwing Studio Editor today to talk about how you upload a video from Kapwing to right here on YouTube. Now we're going to take a video that we've just finished editing, it's completely done and ready to go, and we're going to take it all the way to youtube.com so we can start getting some views, some comments, maybe even some money. Let's see how it's done. Okay, so I'm here in the Kapwing studio and I have a video open that I've been working on. You see I've got the subtitles added here, it's got some edits, and I'm ready to now take it and upload it to my YouTube channel. All of my edits are done and it's ready to go. This is a promotion for the Kapwing Creators Fund, by the way, which you should check out in the description below. So how do I take this video and get it over to my YouTube channel now? All of my edits are done, I'm ready to move it. Well, the first step, the very first thing I'm gonna do is start by clicking this big red export video button in the top right corner here. So I'll click that. And then you'll see here, I'm taken to this page that says your watermark-free content is being processed. So I'm logged into Kapwing right now. There's not gonna be any watermarks, but even if I wasn't logged in, I would still go to this page and you'd start to see this code flash across the screen. So we'll wait a minute here, and when the video is done, we'll be taken to the final screen where we can then download it and take it to share to YouTube. So I'll jump ahead here to when it's done. So my video is done processing and it looks like it came out okay. Let's take it to YouTube now. So the first thing you're gonna do is just click on the download button that you see right here. And you're gonna click this button whether you're on your mobile phone or you're on a desktop computer. It's gonna be the same process. You click download right here. And by default, that's going to save to the downloads folder on your device. So now you actually have a copy of that video saved to your hard drive here. You can see I can pull it up. And this is the file that you're actually going to take over to YouTube to upload to your channel. So let's see what that looks like. Over on YouTube now, I will just go ahead and click the create button up here in the top right corner, and it's going to look the exact same on mobile. You'll click the little plus to create. And then I can just click upload video and it'll take me into YouTube Studio here, and I can just open up my folder where that's saved to. Here's that Creators Fund video and just drag it right in, and it is now uploading to YouTube. So while that video uploads, of course, inside YouTube, you can change your title, add a description, start to add some tags, and put your thumbnail in. But yeah, as soon as you have reached this point, your video is now being added to YouTube, and it's up to you to just add a title and all of those other details. But that's really the process of bringing your creations from Kapwing to YouTube. You have to export the video, you have to download it, and then you have to drag the file right into YouTube. And it's pretty much the same across mobile and desktop. That's it. That's how you upload a video from Kapwing to YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop us a like down below and consider subscribing to our channel. Every ad dollar that we make from this channel, we give right back to creators through the Kapwing Creators Fund. So by watching our videos, you are supporting other creators making amazing content here on YouTube and elsewhere. So thank you so much for watching today, and we will see you next time.